Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add audio player to Framer. So let's get straight into it. Now it already includes a built-in player that supports hosted file, MP3, WAV and direct links. So I think this one is the much faster way, easier way, so let's go and do that. Okay, so what you need to do is go here at the top left corner where you see insert or press I on your keyboard like that, and now find the component, navigate to the utility and search for the audio or media. So under the media I have this one here. Now what we need to do now is just simply drag the component to our Canva. So let's say ordinary MP3 file like that. So where is now? It's alright. It's here like that. Now here on the right side, choose upload. So here you have URL upload. So you can choose upload, add file directly, or you can use URL to link to an external host. Then you have here customizable things. So you can playing loop, progress, volume, progress, track, player, and so on, gap, play, pause, and so on. You can also change some colors and that thing. And yeah, you can basically, this is how you can basically add player to Framer. Now, bonus tip here, we have also the second method which we can use plugins. So if we press Ctrl K or CMD K, if we press a Ctrl and forward slash, and then you can type in sound or sound, yes. We have sound waves here, or we can audio player here. You can see if we select that, we can log in here and we can add this plugin to our project. And yeah, this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next